Okay, so this is a short video on how to utilize Blockbrief MapSearch within Blockbrief Premier. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come to blockbrief.com, and then you're going to go on the top right and log in. Use your Blockbrief credentials to enter those in, submit. And that takes you to the dashboard where you need to be for anything to do with Blockbrief Premier. To utilize the key parts of the website, you need to be signed in to the My Site section of the website. So MapSearch, we created to make searching Blockbrief's comprehensive database of development and investment opportunities easier. We developed a simple map-based search called MapSearch. MapSearch makes it possible to quickly search all the data on Blockbrief by simply typing in the location you're interested in. So there's two ways you can get to MapSearch. The easiest way is to just come down here on the dashboard, type in the area that you're interested in in the Find Development Opportunities search bar, and away you go. The other way is to come up to this tab here and click MapSearch, and you can start typing in the area that you're interested in here. So let's just get started the easiest way possible. Perhaps I'm interested in the locality of Randwick in New South Wales. I'll click that, and away it goes, and will load those opportunities available for me. So you've got your map search here, and then what is being populated on the map search is also available here on the split screen, where you can just scroll down and see what the opportunities are. So what's populating map search? Right now we're actually populated with the data from the zoning changes database and the data from the development sites database. We've also got information from the Newswire service. So we're combining that to give you a big, quick picture of everything that's available in terms of opportunities and things that are changing in a particular marketplace. Is right here in the map search, and you can go on from here, and it'll direct you to where those opportunities are. So from here, when you're interested in an area, obviously you can zoom in, focus on particular areas, scroll over the top of those areas, of those opportunities, and find things that you're interested in. You can also narrow your search. So say you're only interested in looking for news items, you can just filter, see all the news items, click on here, and it'll take you off to that particular news item that is contained within our Newswire service. This particular news item comes from the Department of Planning. So there's your news items. Go back to, perhaps you just want to see the zoning changes. Just step back here. So the news items are, the icons are featured a newspaper icon that indicates a news item. Zoning change is indicated by a calendar icon. It distinguishes between residential and mixed use and the like. And they're also populated here from most recent to oldest. And the images indicate the type of zoning change. So these are residential zoning changes, this is a commercial zoning change, and this is a mixed-use zoning change. So if you find one you're interested in, you can either click from the map, or you can simply click from the split screen that you've found. So I'm going to click here, and it takes me straight to that zoning change within the zoning alerts database, and I'm searching the zoning alerts database as I normally would. It just gets me there quicker and allows me to understand more quickly all the information that we have in a particular marketplace. And then if we want to switch back, we can switch to development sites. So we're only searching the development sites. So here are all the development sites. So these are made up of, this is populated by our development site database, which is made up of real estate listings with development potential claims, rezonings, and sites that are identified as currently underutilized underutilized in terms of the current planning controls. The site has not fully maximized the development potential under the current planning control system. And once again, you can zoom through here. If there's not an image provided, there is a standard image to indicate what type of opportunity that is. So as you can see, the for sale sign is up here. These are development sites with real estate listings with development potential. You can also filter quickly. So I want to see things that are adopted in terms of zoning changes, whether or not they're proposed or adopted. So if I only want to see things that are adopted, it'll narrow those down to adopted development opportunities. So right here, I can either search from here where I've got, for example, a rezoning occurring. Click on it. 440 Oxford Street, Paddington, Woollahra. Take me to the site has been rezoned from commercial to B4 mixed use under the Woollahra 2014, and it's been adopted. Perhaps go back to let's go back to no. See all the real estate listings. So here's a listing to King's Cross Road, Potts Point. See what's going on here. So it's a prestigious commercial strata in the city fringes. The property could be easily converted into a residential accommodation subject to council approval. And I can quickly search the zoning of that property by just clicking the search zoning bar here. And you can wait that to load. We have a video that also goes through searching the zoning mapping database on our Blockbrief support website. And here we are. Here is the property that we're looking for. And it's zone B2 local center. Let's head back to the map search. And just to indicate, so let's search another area, Bankstown in New South Wales. Search Brisbane. Geelong. Hobart. Adelaide. Perth. There we are. So that's map search in a nutshell. The importance of map search is it's just to make it easy for you guys to quickly understand what data we have available in a particular marketplace and then send you on your way to search the various databases in terms of zoning alerts, development sites, and the newswire. If you have any questions, please drop an email to info@blockbrief.com and we'll be more than happy to respond to any questions or queries you might have. Thanks.